The state's skills shortage has become so dire that one sector is now pitching to children as young as 12. It's trying to draw them in for when they finish school. As Rory Campbell explains, WA drastically needs workers if it wants to win the global renewable energy race.
There we go.
Fanning interest from a future workforce.
I think it's cool.
So WA's renewable hydrogen energy industry has enough people to boom. Industry analysis predicts Australia will need as many as 28,000 workers. The new hydrogen sector to go head-to-head with other resource industries, competing for tradespeople who are already in critically short supply.
What we want to do is get ahead of that, talk to as many young people as we can in Western Australia so they understand that accessing the hydrogen industry isn't that difficult. 30
WA schools have signed up to this new educational program, a pitch to students teaching them how hydrogen can be used for energy. Virtual reality shows them what their future workplace could look like. Training company MPA believes there isn't anything like this in the country.
This is really where the jobs of the future are going to be.
WA has more than 30 hydrogen projects in the pipeline, the government trying to position the state as a future international powerhouse. Some of the jobs the renewable hydrogen industry will need don't exist yet, but many will be skills like engineering, plumbing and electrical work, setting the scene for intense competition across mining, construction and hydrogen.
Australia has 40% of the world's hydrogen projects, so it's really ours to win.
An appealing option.
It'll probably save a lot of money and stop the environment from getting damaged as much.
For a generation driven by the desire to grow old on a healthy planet. Rory Campbell, 7 News.
States already. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. Details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, a supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description and book a discussion